Foam finger. You start a timer. Alright, we'll save her and then we'll save the game and then
I think I know where her husband is. Yeah, he's over here.
Bro, they're not even that far apart. Oh, she's gonna die. Let me get back over there.
Oh, help her.
I am.
Shit.
Yeah, our character doesn't run very fast. Alright, don't hit me. Just keep running, lady.
No. Here. There. Drink. Holy fuck. Oh, you killed her.
Bullshit. I literally swung like 3 times around her and I didn't even hit her. Alright, now we gotta kill her husband.
No.
Wake his ass up. Yeah, your wife's dead. Sorry. Please don't find anything. Don't look at the body on the ground. They're eating it. Why is he taking the long way around? What a dumbass. What?
It's so great.
Age 34. Why is it gonna tell me all of his shit?
Alright, level up. What'd I get?
I did level up.
I learned a new skill.
How do you check that?
It didn't even tell me, that's the problem.
It just told me my inventory got increased.
Hey, there you go. You have more inventory now.
All right.
Dude. More looters.
More.
By Rebecca, so she stops complaining. Nope.
Got Shane.
Damn it. I have no idea how you would survive out here on your own.
Just push the button, lady.
I hope I don't have to do everything for you. Well, what are you waiting for?
Just admiring your skills.
Ooh. Flirty Frank.
She admires our skills. Our skill set.
Company.
Ow, what the
Ow.
fuck? Where's she going? She's literally going in circles.
Rebecca, what the fuck are you doing?
Foam finger.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Don't follow her.
Here. Eat this.
Oh, yummy. Where are you going? Oh, he broke his noggin. Oh, he's not dead yet. Get the fuck. Get out of my sight.
I'm gonna have to break it down.
Here, let me try.
Ooh.
What is she doing? This isn't YouTube friendly.
They didn't teach me that in journalism school.
You went to journalism school? Could have fooled me.
Could have fooled me.
What a mess. Well, this just gets better and better.
Wow, looks like somebody didn't like the show much.
You should get this on video. They didn't want us to see what really went down.
Frank, check this out.
Check this out.
So Zombies don't use guns.
I'm not so sure Kier's not involved, but it definitely proves someone's covering up what really happened.
Not a bad lead, kiddo.
Now it's time to show me those pictures, Frank.
Frank, you need to get back to the bunker now.
What is it, Stacy?
It's Sullivan. He saw the report. Can you get back here? He's threatening to kick me out.
I'm on my way.
Wait, who is that?
Just a friend.
Stacy, the leader of Cure.
Gotta go.
He can't ditch me for long.
I can ditch you. Bro's still out.
Alright.
Get down. I had it with
Here you go. Here's your room.
Oh, my room.
What the fuck?
The fuck are you doing? Oh, there's spray paint in here. What do I do with these?
Dude, do you see on my screen his arm?
They're just up through the wall.
Oh, there you
Is this a thing?
go. Spray paint yourself. There's a
Go-
flashlight right here. You got gems.
No, I don't. Oh, these go together. Throughout this thing.
Wicked.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Ooh.
The butt plug taser.
Alright. Let's go.
1 second, I got some spray paint.
Oh wait, I forgot we can just go this way. Hang on. Go this way.
my
Forgot about
God.
this.
PP, I can take a PP picture. Oh, now it's up his butt.
Oh, you're so slow.
No, I'm not.
I can see two
What the
guys
fuck?
in Shank's knife shop at the Palisades Mall. Better hurry. I don't know how long they can hold out.
Like I fucked it up so the audio
I
doesn't
can
hear
see
you
two
on
guys
my
in Shank's knife
game.
shop at the Palisades Mall. Better hurry. I don't know how
What
long
happened?
they can hold out.
My recording, I don't have your audio on my recording.
Oh. Alright, I'm skateboarding away. See ya.
I can fix it in a second. Oh, he's a gun, wait. Oh my god, his body. I gotta send you a clip of these bodies that just go up to the ceiling.
Nice. So fucking glitchy.
Save that gun for a boss. I'm coming to grab 2 more skateboards.
There's
behind
a
you.
soda in here.
I'll grab 2 of these. I don't need this sledgehammer. X, C.
How's it going?
I can see two guys in Shank's knife shop at the Palisades Mall.
Well, I just hit the
Better
wall
hurry.
and I lose
I don't know
him
how
out.
long they can hold out.
I'll figure out the key. I need to get some new clothes.
New kicks.
New kicks. New pumped up kicks.
You're nothing but a common criminal. You cause nothing but trouble.
Cure is innocent. It's a setup.
I saw you.
Follow him, it's a setup, it's a setup.
Your picture.
Hey,
A
Hey.
man like you, real American, helping out trash like this. You don't need that kind of publicity, Bill.
You see a little green hair on his head?
Sullivan, I think
Yeah.
this is being set up.
I think he's
I saw it on the TV with my own eyes.
he's part of Cure for
Explain
sure.
how that little trick works.
An alien.
There's something
Yeah.
else going on here, Sullivan. I found some evidence at the arena of a cover-up. I've got a feeling TK, the host of that game show, is involved somehow. I saw him backstage at his show, swapping a briefcase of money with the guy they showed on TV starting this outbreak.
could have told me that the front door was locked.
Hey, you're that TV lady.
Oh, he's in love with her.
I'll make you a deal. You two do your little investigation. You see if you can help this troublemaker. But ain't no one gonna cover her ass when the military arrives. And she ain't allowed off the premises. I'll be guarding the door. Don't think I won't do what I have to do.
Damn.
What was that all about?
He just takes his job too seriously.
Tell me you found something.
We checked out Central Security. Someone's definitely trying to hide
How does she have enough
Everything was smashed to
megabyte
pieces.
space on that
This is
fucking
my,
thing?
New friend.
Stacy.
He's got SD cards up her ass.
She got him between her cleavage. She got him in her teeth. She got him in her
You'll
hair.
forgive me if I don't think it's very helpful that you accused my organization of a crime we didn't commit.
Look,
Sassy.
I don't know what's going on here, but clearly things are not as they seem. I put out the information I had at the time.
Hey, I love a good catfight, but we're not getting anywhere unless
Bam.
we work together, ladies.
Works for me.
Yeah, ladies.
Whether you're innocent or guilty. I just want the truth.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. But okay. We'll work together. I'll keep an eye on these monitors.
And I'm going back out there to see what I can find out.
I'll let you know if I see anything.
Yeah, she's gonna see her get eaten on there. Nice.
Yes, well,